A gable roof is one of the most common roof types used in residential construction. A gable roof has a ridge board at the peak to provide a nailing surface for the upper ends of common rafters. Common rafters extend from the top wall plates to the ridge board. All common rafters are the same length and can be laid out and pre-cut before the roof is assembled. To begin the layout of common rafters, place the framing square at one end of the rafter. Holding the unit rise on the tongue of the framing square and 12 inches on the blade, mark plumb lines on one face of the stock extending down from the rafter length marks. Shorten the rafter by 1/2 the thickness of the ridge board. Be sure to measure perpendicular to the ridge plumb line. Mark the ridge plumb cut line. Measure the theoretical rafter length on the upper edge of the rafter stock. Place the tongue of the square along this mark and draw the heel plumb line. Holding the framing square on the heel plumb line, slide the square along the line until the desired length of the seat cut is achieved. The length of the seat cut line is usually equal to the width of the top plate. Mark the seat cut at this location. Slide the square to the right so one side lines up with the heel plumb line. Measure and mark the distance of the overhang. Slide the square to the right and draw a line along the edge of the tongue, marking the tail cut line. Using a circular saw, cut along the ridge plumb cut line and the tail plumb cut line. Then make the heel and seat cuts, ensuring not to overcut the corner. Use a handsaw to complete the cuts for the common rafter.